Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log out of CarX Street game on your Android device. Whether you are using mobile device or tablet, this process will help you out to safely log out of CarX Street. First of all, launch open CarX Street game on your device, and once you're inside this home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. Now, from the expanded menu that appears on the screen, select Sync from the top right. From the Sync tab, go to the Logout button at the top right and click on it. And in the pop-up, click on Yes to log out of your CarX Street account. Once you do that, you'll be signed out immediately, and that's it. So that is how you log out or sign out of CarX Street application using your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.